Today we learn 9th class maths remainder theorem and problems on it. What is remainder theorem? Remainder theorem definition. The remainder theorem states the following: if you divide a polynomial f of x by x minus h, then the remainder is f of h. The theorem states that our remainder equals f of h. Therefore, we do not need to use long division, but just need to evaluate the polynomial when x is equal to h to find the remainder. By this definition, you can understand this is an alternative method for divisions of polynomials, that is long division. So, long division seems to be difficult and takes time, but this type of theorem helps you quick solve the problem. To find the remainder is very easy in this method. Let us explain. Remainder theorem: if a polynomial p of x is divided by the binomial x minus a, the remainder obtained is p of a, as we earlier said. So, definition once again I have written. So, look at our example. If p of x equal to x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10 was divided by x minus 2, the remainder can be determined by finding p of 2. Let us take x minus 2 equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. So, in the place of x substitute to 2, p of 2 equal to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square minus 7 into 2 plus 10. So, answer is 8 minus 16 minus 14 plus 10 equal to minus 12. So, thus in one or two steps I have got the remainder, the answer. So, this is very important method in polynomials. So, remainder theorem, if you practice without pen and paper, you can get the answer. So, yes, this is very important method. Only two steps if you observe carefully. First one is if divisor x minus a, then it must be equal to 0. That means x minus a equal to 0, then x equal to a. So, in place of x you substitute to a and evaluate the value. Yes, the answer is remainder. So, in this way we can find a remainder very easily. In our next session, we see some problems here in long division and remainder theorem based. So, in two methods we have done here and checked here. First of all, illustrate remainder theorem, then practice some problems in both ways. Let us see the illustration of the remainder theorem. What is in general way we solve problems. Yes, p of x is divided by x minus a. So, you get q of x quotient part and remainder part r. So, in general, yes, any division we see these four parts. So, divisor part, quotient part, remainder part, dividend part. So, r is remainder. And q of x means quotient part and divisor part and dividend part. So, remainder can be written as r p of a or r of a, r of x. So, whatever it may be, you can denote remainder. Now, we can write general form of the division or long division. So how to check a division, is it correct or not? We can apply this generalization formula. Let us see it. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is dividend here? Just it is P of x. So P of x equal to divisor. What is divisor here? X minus a. What is quotient here? Q of x. What is remainder here? R or R of x, whatever it may be. Now how can you simplify it? As usual, we take x minus a equal to 0, then x equal to a, substitute a in place of x. So wherever you find x, put a there. A minus a into q of a plus r of a. So first bracket a minus a, it becomes 0 into q of a plus r of a. Now 0 into anything is 0. So 0 into qa equal to 0 plus r of a. So what we have got? P of a equal to r of a. So the dividend part P of x is given. So if you substitute a in place of x, you get P of a. So P of a is nothing but it is a remainder of the given polynomial. Here we solve one problem, simple problem. Let us take P of x equal to x cube plus 1 and it is divided by x plus 1. Now we can find the remainder and also whether it is a factor or not. Now take x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 1. So x plus 1 is a binomial, its 0 is minus 1. So in place of x we put minus 1, replace x by minus 1, then p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube. X cube means minus 1 whole cube plus 1. Now minus 1 base times 3 is base number, so you get minus. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So whenever the remainder is 0, so it is a factor. So x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 1. So whenever remainder 0, note that it is a factor. Otherwise any number remainder, it is not a factor. Now we will check this by long division also. For confirmation and checking, we can do long division here. So x plus 1 is the divisor, and x cube plus 1 is the dividend. Now x cube plus 1, x cube after x square term missed, thus I have put there 0x square, and x term is also missed. I there put 0x and constant 1. Now in division we have already performed 3 steps. First division, second multiplication, third subtraction. So first division, x cube first term, dividend first term, and divisor first term, x cube by x square. Now multiplication, quotient into divisor, x square into x plus 1. Now multiplication, x square into x cube, x square into 1x square, Third step is subtraction. Sign changes. Square plus down 0x. Now minus x square by x, next division, get cancel, minus x. So minus x right at quotient part, and multiplication minus x into x plus 1. Now subtraction, get cancel, and down 1, x plus 1. Now again division, so x by x, that is 1. So in the quotient part write 1. Already we have put minus 1, minus x plus 1. So next division after minus, multiplication. So multiply 1 into x plus 1. 1 into x plus 1. Now multiply 1 into x, 1 into 1, 1. Now subtraction sign changes. So plus to minus, minus to plus, you get 0. So remainder is 0. So here also remainder 0. Next we solve another example. Yes, it is x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. First we check it by remainder theory, and it is divided by x minus 2. So let us take x minus 2 equal to 0 and x equal to plus 2. Here important, all the terms are in the descending order, so no missed term. So we can long division also very easy. Now x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to, so 0 of the binomial is 2. 0 of the binomial x minus 2 is 2. So replace x by 2. So in f of x, wherever x is there, substitute 2. Now f of 2 equal to we find the remainder by finding f of 2. Yes, x cube means 2 cube, 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4. On simplification you get 8 minus 2 into 4 minus 10 plus 4. So again 8 minus 8 plus minus 10 plus 4. So on simplification 8 get cancelled, minus 10 plus 4 minus 6. So remainder is minus 6. Here remainder not 0, so it is not a factor. It is not a factor. So x minus 2 is not a factor of f of x because it leaves remainder minus 6. Now we can check this one by long division also. In long division, yes, first step is whether the dividend is in descending order or not. Is there any term missed or not? First check it. Here no missed. X cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4, all terms are there. Yes, in division we follow 3 steps. First one division, second one multiplication, third one is subtraction. So x cube by x, now we get x square. Now multiplication, x square into divisor x minus 2. Now multiply x square into x, x cube, x square into minus 2 minus 2x square. Now third step is subtraction. Subtraction means yes, change the sign for the below term. So minus plus, wherever minus put plus, wherever plus put minus. So both get cancelled, down minus 5x and also plus 4. Single term is not yes, we can't do. So division means minus 5x by x. So multiplication is minus 5 minus 5 into x minus 2. So in division we follow these 3 steps by repeating. So on multiply you get minus 5 into x minus 5x, and minus 5 into minus 2 plus 10, and subtraction means change sign. You get a 10 minus 4 minus 10 plus 4, you get minus 6. So 6 is the remainder. So in both cases, in long division as well as in remainder theorem, yes, you got same answer. Here one solved problem is given. See, it is detailedly written. Yes, x minus 1 is the divisor, x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1 is the dividend. When in long division we have performed here, yes, by step, first one you got also minus 6 here also. So in remainder theorem also, yes, on substituting yes, x equal to 1, yes, you got same answer, minus 6. So for the practice purpose, yes, this problem is also given. Like this, do some more problems in your textbook for practice. Then you will be very speedy in this type of problems. Illustration of remainder theorem. Here f of x dividend f of x equal to x minus a divisor and into q of x quotient part plus r of x. Now substitute a in place of x, then you get f of a equal to r of x. So r of x is constant. So in example, in long division you got 4. Now see another example, x power 4 plus 7x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 15 is divided by x plus 2, you got remainder 3. Here, see here what is remainder and what is quotient part. In later, we see this type of long division as well as remainder theorem problems. Now see, another example here, x cube plus 0x square minus 7x minus 6 is divided by x minus 4. You get a 30 remainder. Here quotient part is x square plus 4x plus 9. Yes. From these words, you listen explanation of some problems. Yes, carefully. First problem is find the remainder when 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2 by 3. Here we solve this in remainder theorem by applying remainder theorem and as well as checked by long division. So see carefully these two type of solutions. Now p of x, let p of x equal to 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5. Now what is divisor? X minus 2 by 3. Let it be equal to 0. So you get x equal to 2 by 3. So substitute in the place of x. So replace x by 2 by 3. So in general, in every problem we do the same process. We observe it. Now p of 2 by 3 equal to 9 into 2 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into 2 by 3 whole square 2 by 3 minus 5. So in place of x I have substituted 2 by 3 and calculating 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27, 2 square means 4, 3 square 9, 2 by 3. Get cancel, 9 ones are 9 threes are, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So what is LCM? 3 is LCM. 3 ones are, so let it be 8. 3 ones are minus 4. 3 ones are 2. 1 threes are 3. 3 fives are 15. So what is the answer? 10 minus 19 by 3 minus 9 by 3. So on cancellation you get minus 3. So remainder is minus 3. So by the method of remainder theorem we find remainder minus 3. Let us check whether it is correct or not by long division. So see carefully this division also. I explain thoroughly. What is a dividend? 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5. Now what is a divisor? X minus 2 by 3. X minus 2 by 3. Now what is the first term in the divisor? X. What is the first term in dividend? 9x cube. So divide 9x cube by x. You get 9x square. So in quotient part write 9x square and multiply minus x minus 2 by 3 into 9x square. You get 9x cube minus 2 by 3 into 9x square minus 6x square. The third step is a negative minus. Get cancel, 6 minus 3 is 3x square plus x, down x. Now division, 3x square by x. First part division, second part multiplication, third part subtraction. So 3x. So in write 3x in quotient part. Now multiply x into 3x, 3x square minus 2 by 3 into 3x, 3x, 3 cancel, you get 2x minus 2x. So minus 2x. Next third step is subtraction. Change sign. So 3x down 5. Now division. So another cycle. Division 3x by x. First term 1 first term. So 3. Now x into 3, 3x minus 2 by 3 into 3, 3 cancel, minus 2. Third step is subtraction, change sign. 5 minus 2 minus 3. Here also remainder 3, minus 3. So in both cases we got same answer, remainder minus 3. So in long division as well as remainder theorem method, both we have got same answer. Next see another one. Find the remainder when f of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by g of x equal to x minus 2, and verify the result with actual division. So by remainder theorem, here also we check two methods. What is remainder theorem? So first I write dividend f of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. What is the divisor? It is g of x. So g of x equal to x minus 2. Now let it be equal to 0. Then you get x equal to 2. So replace x by 2. Replace x by 2. So f of 2 equal to so 0 of x minus 2, 0 of the polynomial is 2. So x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 2, replacing x by 2. Now f of 2 equal to 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 square plus 4. 16 minus 3 4s are 12 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 8. 20 minus 12 8. So remainder is 8. We see long division. What is dividend? X power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by x minus 2. Here dividend part is not in descending order, but some it is descending order, but in some terms are missed. X power 4 after x cube term is missed. So I have written here 0x cube. X square after x term missed. So I have written 0x. So if you write like this, it is very easy. If you don't write, it seems difficult, but you can do, no problem. So what is the first term in divisor part? X. What is the dividend part? X power 4. X power 4 by x. First division. So you get x cube. In quotient part, x cube right. Now multiply x cube into x minus 2. X cube into x, x power 4. X cube into minus 2, minus 2x cube. So third one is multiplication after subtraction. Sign changes. Now x power 4 get cancelled. Plus 2x cube down minus 3x square. Now what is the dividend part? 2x square. 2x cube by what is divisor part? X. Divide. You get 2x. 2x square. Now multiply 2x square into x minus 2. So on multiply, yes, we get 2x square into x, 2x cube. minus 4x square. Now third step is subtraction, change signs. Now get cancel 2x cube, you get 1x square plus 0x. So what is the next step? X square by x. So x, you get x. Yes, write x in the quotient part. Now multiply x into x minus 2. You get x into x minus 2, x square minus 2x. Now subtract. Multiplication after subtraction. You get cancel 2x. So minus 2x becomes, after the sign change, plus 2x. 2x plus 4. So again division, 2x by x. So it 2. So in quotient part write 2. Now 2 into x minus 2. 2 into x, 2x, 2 2s are 4. So on multiplication, on subtraction, change sign, minus minus get cancel, plus 4, 8. So remainder is 8. So thus, yes, we have checked and answer is correct. In both cases we have got same answer. Now see another example. So x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3 and g of x, it is divided by 1 minus 2x. So if you write yes, descending order, yes, it becomes minus 2x plus 1. So first x term write, then constant. Let it be equal to 0. Minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 2x equal to minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to half. So x is equal to half. Here you have to substitute x by half. So replace x by half in equation 1. Now substitute x by half. So half whole cube minus 6 into half whole square plus 14 into half minus 3. You get 1 by 8 minus 6 into 1 by 4 plus 14 by 2. So on simplification, 2 2s are 2 3s are, you get 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2 plus 7 minus 3. And again LCM is 8. Remainder is 21 by 8. So in this process we got 21 by 8 as remainder, and let us check it in long division also. Let us see long division for the same problem. Now divisor is minus 2x plus 1 and dividend is x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. Now what is the first term in the dividend part? X cube. I write here x cube. And what is the first term of divisor? Minus 2x. So I am dividing both terms, I get x square by minus 2. So minus x square by 2. In quotient part I write minus x square by 2. Now division after, next step is multiplication. Minus 2x plus 1 into minus x square by 2. So first term minus x square by 2 into minus 2x plus x cube. Now minus plus 1 into minus x square by 2 minus x square by 2. Now third step is subtraction. So whenever you do subtraction, change sign. So get cancel x cube. Now what is the sum of plus x square by 2 minus 6x square? So LCM is 2 minus 12x square plus x square, that means minus 11x square by 2. So on subtraction I got minus 11x square by 2. I down 14x plus 14x. Now next division, minus 11x square by 2 by minus 2x. So in division we follow 3 steps in each division step. So I write here 11x by 4. Now multiplication, minus 11 plus 11x by 4 minus 2x plus 1. So minus 11x square by 2 plus 11x by 4. Third step is subtraction. Subtracting, get cancel. 11x by 4 minus 11x by 4 plus 14x. 14x minus 11x by 4. Yes. What is the right sum? LCM is 4. 1 4s are 4, 14 4s are 56x. So 56 minus 11, 45x by 4. Now down minus 3. So what is next step? Next division, multiplication or subtraction. We have to repeat these 3 steps in long division. So 45x by 4 by minus 2x. 45x by 4 minus 2x. Now 45x by 8x. X get cancelled. X get cancelled. Now multiplication, minus 45 by 8 into 2x minus 2x plus 1. So multiplication, 45x by 4, and then another multiplication I got minus 45 by 8. So 1 into 45 by 8. So get cancelled. Now the sum of another term is 45 by 8 minus 3. What is the value of 45 by 8 minus 3? LCM 8. 8 ones are 8. 1 into 45, 45 minus 24. Now 21 by 8. So here also remainder 21 by 8. 21 by 8. So in both methods we got same answer. So thus yes, in polynomials the